This video is how to make sketchbooks for large numbers of students in a public school setting for the art room that I have found that's quick, easy, and cheap. It's something I usually do on the first or second day of school. I use them for grades 1 to 5 or sometimes only 2 to 5. It depends on what projects we'll be doing. This is great for early finishers also, and also great for sick days if you need something for the kids to work in. They can work in their sketchbooks. I got these 3-prong folders in a box of 50 or a box of 100. We're going to put the sticker right at the top. This is where students write their class code, which is their grade and their teacher's first initial of their last name, and then the student's name go on here. So if the sketchbook is lost, I can get it back into the right basket. I use the hole punch. This can punch up to 40 pieces of paper at a time, which is a game changer, where my other one used to clog all the time. Just open this up, the paper goes in. It's a pinch of paper to start, and the best thing is students can keep adding paper to their sketchbooks the entire school year. Some kids never go through their pinch of paper from the beginning of the year. Other kids are always adding paper. It really depends on how big the student draws, how much paper they need. They can use front and back. I normally wouldn't have this. I was just doing that for the example. We have students open up their prongs. A lot of kids can do this by themselves. I'll walk around to the tables, pass everything out. We'll do this together. But we can see the prong are standing up. This is opened. We're going to take the paper, line up the holes and the prongs. Add the second layer, close them. Some kids like to do, it doesn't really matter. They can do it as fancy or simple as they want, and that's it. Sketchbook done. And they can add to the back more paper as often as they need. And it saves the budget. We're using printer paper at school. I just got the folders. We already had these old stickers, and I already have the hole punch, so it's really cheap, quick, and easy sketchbooks. We use them the entire year, send them home at the end of the year. They can decorate the front. There you have it. Quick, easy, cheap sketchbooks.